Hello, ma'am. You come in here and talk to me.
No more tell me what's going on.
I'll explain everything to you, okay? That I know.
Is my son alive?
Yes.
Oh God.
Okay.
Oh God. Oh.
We don't know the extent of his injuries. But he's being transported to, I think, Cleveland Metro or University Hospital. I'm not sure yet. The hospital's in the process of making those arrangements.
Where is he now?
He's at St. John's right now, but they're going to be transporting him.
Do you know what his injuries are?
He has a head injury, and we're not sure what the head injury is caused by.
Okay, so he's at St. John.
Yes.
They're transferring him to Metro.
Yes.
And do we know when that's happening? Is it happening right
It's
now?
in the process of happening right now.
You can't tell us anymore.
I don't know.
We need to know where he's going.
Okay,
going
well,
to Metro.
as soon as we find out for sure, we'll let you know. I'm not sure if they're sending him to University Hospital or Metro.
Do you know, was his dad or anybody with him?
Mr. Gurley, he's in our custody right now.
Why?
Because he was being uncooperative at the scene, so we had to take him into custody for his own safety, okay, and also for the safety of the scene, because we have to protect the scene because we exactly don't know what happened, okay, so that's where we're at.
Somebody needs to tell me where to go find my son.
We don't know which hospital he's going to yet. As soon as we know, we're going to
I will let you know as soon as I find out, okay?
Hi. No, we're at the police station.
Come on over to Dover Center. Copy, okay, Rob.
So, okay, let me clean up.
Okay. What's across the street?
We don't know much.
So do we wait till you call me and tell me where he's going?
Yeah. Are you his?
And her,
just a friend or?
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, I've known the family. I don't know if you know her.
Yeah, I know.
Her son
I knew how. Yes.
Okay. And this
We don't know exactly like everything. The detective bureau just responded to the house, and they're going to be processing.
How
the
did
scene
they
and
know to
everything.
go to the house? Jerry called?
Somebody called from the house saying that there was somebody with a head injury, and they kind of led to. This is what I'm getting from a third-hand party from Westcon, but they said that somebody had a head injury, and it could have been self-inflicted with a gun. We're not sure. So
That's how his other brother did it.
they got to the scene. They did find a weapon in the room, but like I said, we don't know anything how. We don't know the timeline or how everything happened. So.
Okay.
Any report of any injuries? Unknown.
So is he the one calling us?
It'd be either me or Sergeant Chapman, who's working right now, or the detective bureau may contact you as well. Can I get your number and your information? Because I know is she go by Mrs. Gurley still, or I know they're divorced.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter. Just call her Karen.
Karen. Okay. And your name, ma'am?
Right. And Jerry's here.
Yeah, he's like I said. We took him into custody because he was being very uncooperative at the scene, and it was becoming unsafe for him. So
You don't think he did it?
I don't.
I know
I
you're
don't
not
know.
allowed to say anything.
Like I said, it's something that has to be investigated. Is it Karen, Karin, or
Karen.
Ian?
Gurley, Gurley.
If she can stand by here, I mean, maybe I can get somebody from the bureau to talk to her. I can have you guys sit in here so that way you have your privacy and everything. Maybe I can get her a cup of coffee or something.
It's water, I think.
Or water? Okay. Chili. Do you know who that other car was that just pulled up and it's leaving?
I don't know who it is.
Okay.
There was a second car out there while you were speaking with her.
Okay. All right. All right. I don't know if they're just out there talking. I'm gonna get them a couple bottles of water and stuff. I told them they can set up here in our room.
He just got transported from St. John's to UH.
So it's University Hospital, because I wasn't sure if it's going to be Metro or UH.
Told me UH, main campus.
Okay. All right, I'll let them know that here in a minute. Ma'am, is it okay if I call you Karen? Okay, I'm gonna get a chair out here for you. I'm gonna get you a bottle of water and stuff, okay? I'm gonna try to get some more information for you, okay? I'll be right back. If you do walk out, that door automatically locks, so that's why I put that wood block there.
It's right my hair. It's swollen in my face. Oh, there. Oh.